Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Anker Soundcore Life Q35 wireless Bluetooth headphones. These are the A3027 model number headphones, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not working for any reason, if they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if they're not connecting or syncing with your device, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you can't get it fixed and you just want to buy a new set of headphones, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a great set of headphones at a great price. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of them so that you can go ahead and set these up like they're a new set of headphones just coming out of the box. This is really easy to do, and all we need to do is just come over here on the one ear cup and find the power button, and on the other ear cup and find the volume up button. We're just going to press and hold those two buttons together for 5 to 8 seconds, and after those 5 to 8 seconds, these headphones will factory reset to their out-of-the-box factory default settings, and we can go ahead and set them up like a new set of headphones.